Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to rename a file in Linux. So we have a file called test here. So I'll show you how to rename a file or move a file. So we'll just use mv command for that. So we'll use, before that we'll see the content in this file. So there is one line written here, like this is a test file. So we'll rename a file now like mv test, and we'll rename it as test1. Okay, and we'll see. Now instead of test, we have a file name called test1, and exactly same content will be available in this file as well. You can see. So whatever content was available in this file, same we have copied it to this file. So instead of copying, we have just moved the file or renamed this file. So this is the way how you can rename a file in Linux. So I'm creating short videos on all the tricks in Linux. So going forward, I'm going to add more and more videos on this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share it across. Thank you.